Hi, my name is Synclair Baker. I am a student physician at the Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine. I want to become a doctor because I've seen the positive impact physicians can have on their patients' lives. I've had firsthand experience as a patient. In the 4th grade, I had a major nosebleed and I had to go to the ER room where I encountered a very caring ER physician who reassured me and was very compassionate, and I want to be that for my future patients. I chose osteopathic medicine because I think the extra 200 hours of OMM training that we get is just something very unique to the school, and I'm excited to incorporate that into my practice. I chose Burrell because Melbourne is my home. I was raised here, and I think having the unique opportunity of treating my community and the underserved populations is very unique to something that I can experience, and my support system is very, very close to me, and I think that is vital for me to get through med school.